Hello everyone, welcome back to our Gate development series. In our last video, we have discussed about how to install Ethereum on our local system, how to create an Ethereum account, and how to fetch the private key from key store using Python script. Today we are going to discuss about flags used in Geth. So let's get started. As I have said, we have created an Ethereum account in our last video, and we have also fetched the private key using this Python script, which we can use for transaction and metamask. So let's discuss about flags using Geth. So let's open the terminal. We have to just enter command geth help, where you can get all the flags used for setuping the network. So I have list outed the important flags. Means generally we use those flags here. So let's discuss one by one. So you can see this data directory flag. This data directory flag is used to uh, fix the data directory in which we are going to store our all node data. Here you can see node folder. It is also a data directory which we have used for creating Ethereum account. This Sepolia flag and Gorilla flag is used to set up network like Sepolia and Geth on its configuration. Then this is HTTP flag, using which we are going to uh, send our data on RPC. This HTTP address flag is used to define the uh, IP address on which we are going to send the blockchain data. Then HTTP API flag is used to define the API which will support our network, like Web3, ETH, admin, net, TX pool. So this flag is used for that. And this course domain flag is used to specify domains on which we are going to share our data, means cross origin requests. HTTP port is used to define the exact port on which we are going to share our API and our blockchain data. So vhost is similar to course domain, where we are going to fix the virtual host names. It is required on a final deployment on server. Similar to HTTP, there are WS flags. WS means WebSocket. We can share our blockchain data using WS also. Here we have the WS address flag, similar to HTTP. WS API flag, similar to HTTP API. And next section, you can see the -- allow insecure unlock flag, which is used to unlock the Ethereum account while running an Ethereum node. This key store flag is used to define the key store. Here you can see our key store folder. So default it is in inside data directory, means in root we can set whatever you want. The -- password flag is used to define password in data directory, means while setting a network we are going to create an password.txt file, and we are going to save our password in that file. At that time we want this password flag. After that, this unlock flag, which is also important. It is also used to unlock the Ethereum account. means while setting the validator we want these flags. It is also similar to HTTP and WS. It is auth RPC. It has address, port, and vhost. After that, you can see mine dash mine. Means mine flag is used to define uh, which key store is our validator address while setting the validator. It is Ether-based address which we are going to use while setting the first validator, first or any validator node. Here you can see we can set the extra data. Also we can set the gas limit, gas price. So mostly we are going to use ether based flag as well as boot node flag. This is max peer flag is used to define the maximum peer connected by the particular node. So by default its value is 50. We can increase this. Node score flag is uh, most important flag, I guess. Yeah, it restricts the connection of random pairs to our network. This port flag is used to define the port on which our network is going to run, and this final network ID flag is used to uh, run our network on specific network ID. Means each blockchain have its own specific network ID, so we have to define this also. The using those flag we are going to set up our Ethereum node. So you can see all the flags available in Geth -h command. So each flag have its own use. So we can also see the single line explanation of each flag they have provided. So using those all flag we are going to set up node. So that's all for this video. We are going to set up a validator node or a normal node using these all flags in our next video. So stay tuned, and that's all.